Hey everyone! On December 26, 2024, something big happened. China showed off its newest, coolest airplane, the J-36. This super advanced fighter jet, made by Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, flew over Chengdu for the first time. It flew with its older brother, the J-20S. This new plane, number 36011, shows that China wants to be the best at making airplanes, and wants to change how airfights happen. The J-36 isn't just a little bit better than older planes, it's a whole new level. It shows that China wants to be a leader in the sky. Experts all over the world are looking closely at pictures of the J-36. It's not just a plane, it's a symbol of how powerful China's Air Force has become. China kept the J-36 a secret for a long time, so everyone was curious. Now we got a sneak peek at what airfights might look like in the future. The J-36 is a big jump in technology and could change everything about how we fight in the air. It's super stealthy, has cutting-edge computers, and might even fly super fast. China is here, and it's ready to take its place in the sky. The J-36 isn't just a cool plane. It's a work of art made for ruling the skies. Its sleek, futuristic design is totally different from other fighter jets. The most noticeable thing about the J-36 is that it doesn't have a tail. This special design makes it really hard to see on radar. No tail also means it can turn super sharply and react quickly, making it awesome in close-range fights. The two big air intakes on the sides help it stay hidden, and give the engines lots of air. The cockpit, where the pilots sit, is in the nose. It probably has two seats side by side so the pilots can see better and work together. The strong landing gear shows it can carry a lot of weapons and fuel. The J-36's design isn't just for looks. Every part is made for stealth, speed, and winning fights. The J-36 isn't just hard to see, it's packed with technology to rule the skies. We don't know everything about it, but experts think it has some amazing features. It probably has a powerful radar that can see enemy planes really far away, even if they're stealthy. It also has special systems to block enemy radars and mess with their communications. This lets the J-36 fly safely even in dangerous areas. The J-36 can also talk to other planes, ground stations, and even ships. This helps everyone work together and makes the J-36 even more powerful. Some people think it has special controls that let it move in super tricky ways, making it hard to hit. Section 4. The power within engines, weapons, and speculation. The J-36's amazing abilities come from its powerful engines. We don't know for sure, but experts think it has two super advanced engines, maybe the WS-10 or WS-15. These engines probably make the J-36 fly super fast, maybe even faster than the speed of sound. The engines are also designed to be stealthy, so they're hard to see and hear. The J-36 carries its weapons inside, so they don't make it easier to see on radar. It can carry lots of missiles that can hit planes and targets on the ground. Some of these missiles can hit targets really far away. The J-36 might also have spots on the outside to carry even more weapons. We don't know everything about its weapons, but we know China has made some really advanced missiles. These missiles might even use artificial intelligence to be even better at hitting targets. With its powerful technology, stealth, and weapons, the J-36 is a tough enemy for anyone. Section 5. A new era of air superiority, the J-36 in context. The J-36 shows that China wants to be as powerful in the air as the United States. China is spending lots of money to make its air force better. The J-36 changes how air fights will happen, focusing on speed, stealth, and working together. This is different from how the US and its friends have done things for a long time. The US is also making new planes, but we don't know much about them. This shows how countries are competing to have the best technology. The J-36 also changes things in the Asia-Pacific region. It makes things more complicated around Taiwan and the South China Sea. Other countries are now worried and are trying to make their own air forces stronger. Some people think the J-36 will be used mostly to fight other planes. Section 6. The future of warfare, implications and uncertainties. The J-36 changes everything about airfights. Technology is changing fast, and it's harder to tell the difference between planes with pilots and planes without pilots. Everyone is working together more. This creates new opportunities and challenges for everyone. The J-36 is hard to see and can block radars, making it hard to stop. It can fly into enemy territory and attack important targets without being seen. Because of this, countries are trying to make new technology to find stealthy planes. The J-36 can also talk to other military stuff like satellites and ships. This means everyone needs to learn how to fight in this new way. The J-36 shows that technology is changing very fast. New weapons and artificial intelligence will make things even more complicated. The J-36 shows how strong China is becoming. We don't know exactly how it will change wars, but it's clear that speed, stealth, and technology will be the most important things.